Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Zoom login issues, authentication and access errors step by step clearly. First, check that your internet connection is stable by opening a few websites in your browser. Next, restart your modem or router and then try signing into Zoom again. Make sure you are using the correct Zoom account by confirming the email address you registered with. Type your email and password carefully and watch for extra spaces or wrong capital letters. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and complete the reset email steps. Open your email inbox and also check the spam or junk folder for the Zoom reset message. If your reset link fails, request a new link and use it within the time limit shown in the email. Confirm you are signing in on the correct page by using Zoom us/signin or the official Zoom app. If you use Google, Apple, or Facebook login, choose the same method you used when you first created the account. If you see an authentication failed message, close Zoom completely and reopen it before trying again. On Windows, open Task Manager and end any Zoom processes that are still running. On Mac, use Force Quit to fully close Zoom and then launch it again. Update Zoom to the latest version from the official Zoom download page to avoid login bugs. If you are on a phone, update the Zoom app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Check your device date and time settings and set them to automatic to prevent certificate errors. Disable any VPN or proxy temporarily because it can trigger security blocks or region restrictions. If you are on a work or school network, try switching to a different network like mobile hotspot. Clear Zoom cookies and cache by signing in using an incognito or private browser window. If the web login works, but the app does not, sign out of the app and sign back in. If your account is locked after too many attempts, wait the required time and try again calmly. Verify your email address if Zoom prompts you, because unverified accounts may be limited. If you receive an access denied error, check whether your organization requires SSO login. For SSO, click Sign in with SSO and enter your company domain exactly as provided by IT. If you are using a firewall or antivirus, allow Zoom in the security settings and try again. On Windows, check Windows Defender Firewall and ensure Zoom is allowed on private networks. If you still cannot sign in, uninstall Zoom, restart your device, and reinstall the latest version. If the problem continues, try signing in from another device to confirm whether it is account-related. Finally, visit Zoom service status online to see if there is an ongoing outage affecting login. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.